Red Bull, unraveling the energy drink's secrets. Red Bull is one of the world's most consumed beverages. Its sweet, slightly acidic taste and bubbly sensation have made each sip an addictive experience that many can't resist. That's why around 10 million cans are consumed worldwide every day. Impressive, right? And while you're watching this video, you might feel the urge to crack open a cold can of Red Bull. But have you ever wondered how this drink is actually made? The brand has managed to keep some of the details of its production process and ingredient blend absolutely secret to achieve the product's distinctive flavor. What secret ingredients are behind this famous drink? Is it true that its formula contains additives and chemicals that make us crave another can? Today, we're taking you inside a Red Bull factory to discover step by step every detail of the process that transforms this beverage into the energy icon we all know. From its main ingredient to its mysterious secret formula, we'll reveal everything that happens until each can is ready. And who knows, maybe after seeing how it's made and knowing all its ingredients, you'll think twice before drinking the next can. So, get ready because we're about to unveil all the secrets hidden behind each can of Red Bull. Let's begin. Step 1. The main ingredient. Everything starts with the essential ingredient and base of Red Bull: water. But we're not talking about ordinary water here, but a resource that becomes the soul of the drink, fundamental to achieving that energetic freshness that sets it apart. The water used in the production of Red Bull is exclusively extracted from natural springs carefully selected near each production plant. These sources, whether deep wells or crystalline springs, are chosen with precision to meet Red Bull's high-quality standards. However, obtaining pure water is just the first step. It undergoes a series of processes that ensure its exceptional quality. First, it goes through an initial filtration that removes visible particles and sediment, leaving the water clean and ready for the next phase. Then it is filtered through activated carbon, a crucial process to neutralize any trace of unwanted flavors or aromas, ensuring that the water remains free of any interference. Next, the water undergoes reverse osmosis, and you might be wondering what that is exactly. Well, it's an advanced purification method that removes more than 99% of the remaining impurities, such as unwanted minerals, salts, and microorganisms, transforming it into a pure base ready to receive Red Bull's unique components. Finally, certain minerals and pH are adjusted to ensure that the water is in perfect balance, allowing all the ingredients to integrate harmoniously. This balance is essential for the water to become the ideal base for the beverage. With this impeccable and balanced base, we're ready to take the next step: the addition of Red Bull's special formula. What other elements make it so characteristic? It's time to discover it. Step 2. The Red Bull formula. Here we are at the heart of Red Bull, the element that gives it its characteristic energy and differentiates it from any other drink: its secret formula. This is not just a combination of ingredients, but the true essence of Red Bull, a carefully guarded secret known only to a few. While the exact recipe is confidential, it is known to combine key ingredients that maximize its revitalizing effect. The Red Bull formula includes purified water, sugars, B vitamins that aid in energy metabolism, and taurine, an amino acid that contributes to focus and performance. The caffeine, sourced from natural origins, is used in precise doses to stimulate the mind and body without overdoing it. Taurine and carefully selected vitamins complement this blend, providing metabolic support and a feeling of sustained energy. Everything is formulated so that each ingredient enhances the other, creating a prolonged and sustained energy effect. Once all the components are ready, they are precisely mixed in large tanks under strict quality measures, giving life to the essence of Red Bull. This is the step where the concentrate becomes the famous syrup, uniting all the necessary elements for the iconic energy formula. Now that we've revealed the key components of this formula, we're ready for the next step: the mixing and carbonation process, where the essence is transformed and comes to life, ready to become the energy drink we all know. Step 3. Mixing the syrup. Now that we know the ingredients of Red Bull, it's time to see how they are transformed into the energy drink we all know. The process begins by combining the flavorings, caffeine, taurine, and vitamins in enormous tanks, where each ingredient is added with precision and in a specific order. This order is crucial. Certain components must be mixed first to ensure a uniform distribution throughout the mixture, while others are added at later stages to maintain their potency and stability. The ingredients are gradually integrated, starting with the solids like vitamins and taurine, which are dissolved in purified water to create a homogeneous and balanced base. Then, the liquid components and flavorings are incorporated, which provide the flavor profile. Finally, the carefully dosed caffeine is added to achieve the optimal level of energy without altering Red Bull's distinctive flavor. Once the syrup is completely mixed and uniform, it is transferred to stainless steel tanks where each batch undergoes strict quality controls to ensure it meets the brand's standards. With the syrup ready, we move on to the next essential step, carbonation, where Red Bull acquires those bubbles that not only enhance its flavor, but also give it the final freshness that makes this drink so unique. Step 4. Creating the fizz. One of Red Bull's most distinctive features is its vibrant effervescence, that sparkling touch that enhances the drinking experience. But have you ever wondered how they achieve these bubbles so precisely and refreshingly? The key lies in the carbonation process, where carbon dioxide is added meticulously and in a controlled manner. The Red Bull syrup is mixed with carbon dioxide at high pressure, allowing the gas to dissolve uniformly in the liquid, creating the bubbles that characterize the drink. This process is carried out at low temperatures, which ensures that the gas remains trapped in the drink until you open the can, giving you a refreshing sensation with every sip. Carbon dioxide not only provides effervescence, but also adds a touch of acidity, balancing the sweetness of the syrup and enhancing Red Bull's characteristic flavor. Step 5. Packaging and sealing. Once Red Bull is carbonated, it's time for one of the most impactful and essential stages, packaging. Red Bull's production lines are an impressive display of precision engineering, capable of filling and sealing thousands of cans per minute. But how do they ensure that each can maintain the same quality and freshness in such a rapid process? The key lies in the strict quality controls implemented at every stage of packaging, whether it's their iconic small cans or larger formats. Each can is sealed instantly to retain the carbon dioxide pressure, ensuring that every sip has the perfect level of fizz and freshness. After sealing, the cans go through a labeling and packaging line where the labels with Red Bull's unmistakable design and product information are applied. This process not only guarantees that the contents arrive in optimal condition, but also ensures that the drink is ready to be enjoyed anywhere with the same quality. This final step is the touch that ensures the Red Bull you hold in your hands maintains its freshness and characteristic fizz until the last sip. But wait, there's one more essential step before the drink reaches store shelves. Step 6. Quality control and distribution. Ever wondered how every can of Red Bull, no matter where you find it, maintains the same energetic and stimulating taste? The answer lies in its meticulous quality control process and a global logistics system. Every batch of Red Bull undergoes exhaustive tests to ensure that the levels of carbonation, caffeine, and other key ingredients are just right. And it's not just about technology. Flavor experts regularly taste batches to confirm that the flavor profile and freshness are consistent in every can. Every detail, from pressure to carbonation time, is monitored so that each can of Red Bull has the quality and freshness that characterize the brand. Once the drink has passed quality control, Red Bull is ready to begin distribution thanks to an extensive logistics network that spans more than 170 countries. The drink is distributed to major cities and remote locations alike. This system ensures that each can maintain its freshness and quality until it reaches your hands, allowing you to enjoy the same energy boost no matter where you are. So there you have it, a can of Red Bull ready to energize you anytime, maintaining that exact balance of flavor and effervescence. Now that you know every detail behind the production of Red Bull, from the purity of the water to the carbonation process and rigorous quality controls, you might see it from a new perspective. Although Red Bull is great for giving you a boost, remember to consume it in moderation. Its caffeine and sugar content, if consumed in excess, can have health effects. To conclude, has knowing the production process changed your perception of Red Bull? Will you enjoy it the same way? Or perhaps with a little more moderation? Leave your answer in the comments.